So you want to be able to put your task in to TickTick and it recognize the date. Well, that's really simple to do, but you need to enable it in your settings. So let's go here to settings. And if you go down here to more, there's a section here called date recognition. And you turn that on. What this is going to do is, let's say, for instance, you want to put in a task and you say, buy groceries tomorrow. It'll automatically recognize it. So you don't have to go over here and click here and select tomorrow. It'll also recognize if you type in, say, next Monday. See? So this is a really cool feature inside of TickTick that will enable you to get your task in TickTick even quicker and faster. However, there's a caveat. Sometimes when I am making me a list of things that I need to do, I might say, something like, talk to Emily about next Monday's task, all right? Well, the problem lies in is that you see it went ahead and put in next Monday, and if I go ahead and hit enter, now it just says talk to Emily about task, but I want to talk to her today about next Monday's task. So this didn't help me any, right? Well, what you can do here is talk to Emily, if I can spell. If I do this, let me show you a quick little thing here. Talk to Emily about next Monday's task, right? Well, you can just click on this and it turns it back to normal text. And then you can hit enter and now it's in the inbox. And then from there, you can go ahead and put it for today's task. Pretty simple, huh? So like I say, if you want to turn that on, all you have to do here is go to settings. Then you go to more and then turn it on with that little toggle. You also have a couple other things. Remove text in task. So let's say, for instance, a while ago when I entered that and I hit enter, it removed that text Monday from the task. If you want to leave it in there, just uncheck that box. Also, you can select to keep or remove tags from the task name by removing tags from task name. And there's also URL parsing as well. Okay. But this is the smart recognition section of TickTick. So if you got any questions, feel free to leave me a comment right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.